In 2 years since the stage rigging collapse here at the Indiana State Fair.
And you know, that horrific incident really raised the level of safety awareness here at the fair. Also, it weighs very heavy on the hearts and minds of the organizers. But 2 years later, many people are still following through with lawsuits against the businesses involved in the Sugarland concert.
The chilling images at the grandstand 2 years ago, the deaths of 7 people and dozens injured, cast a dark shadow on the state fair. But the Good Samaritans and first responders, who rushed to help the wounded and maintain order, showed the world the Hoosier spirit. The storm which brought down the rigging over the stage on August 13, 2011, was the focus of numerous national investigations, which led to changes in outdoor concert venues. But about 60 people seek to hold accountable the people who put up the stage and the band Sugarland for their injuries and the death of loved ones.
As we go through the process, more and more answers are discovered.
Tony Patterson is one of several lawyers still collecting information from victims, witnesses, and the stars from that night. Members of Sugarland, questioned once, could be deposed again before the year is out. Overall, more than 70 people have provided their personal account. To date, there has been no need to file a subpoena. Everyone called to talk has cooperated.
A lot of people involved in the process of putting on a show. Those people are being deposed and trying to find out exactly what happened from their perspective.
While the lawsuit works its way to a trial, the Indiana Department of Labor is waiting for the outcome of safety fines it imposed on 2 groups connected to the tragedy. Greenfield-based Mid-America Sound was slapped with $63,000 in penalties, and the Stagehands Union is facing fines totaling $11,500. Both groups are in settlement negotiations, though neither has reached an agreement with the state.
And for now, we're just looking at one trial in this case, and the trial is set for February 2014, but that could be changed. Also, under Indiana law, people have 2 years to file lawsuits in these types of injury cases. The deadline for anyone injured in 2011 here at the State Fairgrounds is this August 13th. Of course, 2013. Now, taxpayers were responsible for $11 million in payments to the victims. As you may recall, the first involved the tort claims, and then the legislature approved extra millions of dollars, all paid out. The public also donated, as you may recall, to the Indiana State Fair Remembrance Fund. More than $500,000 was paid out in that case as well. So this case still weighs very heavy, not only for the organizers here, but for many of the families that are dealing with what happened back in 2011.
And it continues to affect the fair because it changed the way the concerts were handled. That's since been changed again. And
for the better,
right,
not only here, but for around the country and around the world.
All right, well, we've got some